Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you about SQL foreign key constraint. Foreign key is used to link two tables or more than two tables together. A foreign key is a field or collection of fields in one table that refer to the primary key in another table. The table containing foreign key is called child table, and the table containing the candidate key is called reference or parent table. Now suppose that uh, you have two tables and you want data from table 2, but on behalf of what you will call the data. Definitely you need something to nominate or define that what or on which behalf of to extract the value from other tables, and that is foreign key. Now here I will create two tables right now. One is person and second is order, to show a relation between e-commerce website database. So in the person we have the ID, name and age of the person. In orders we have order ID, order number and person who order that product or anything, who asked the query. So I will say here I have to select the database. Remember that whenever you are working with SQL Server, you must have to select the database. So here we have school database. uh, Here is school, and I will say I want to create a table. So create table having name as person. Okay, and here I will say I have person ID, or even that to save the time, what I will do, I will use, go to here tables, right click here and add table, new table. So it is easy to me for me to optimize the time instead of writing the whole code. If you want to learn how to create tables, you can view my previous video tutorials where I have explained each and everything very in clarity and brief. So here is the ID. Okay, let me say that I will say that it's PID, like person's ID, and name and age. So the ID always will be kind of int, and name is 10 character and age is also of int type, and PID is identical. So here identical column, PID is identical. Now right click here, generate change script, replicate this, paste it here, change the name as person, and now execute. Oops, also change name here too, and now execute. Okay, so it say that it's already exists. So what I will say, I will drop dbo drop table, execute, and now execute this again. So a new table is created. Now same is the case with this. I will use order, and here we have OID to consider that it is order, and right after order I will say order number, which is of type of definitely int, and here we have PID. Okay, so here we have the PID. So when we are going to create a foreign key in any table, how we will explain that, right after this PID int null, uh, you will say that to remove the confusions, let's remove all this code. Okay, this too. So here we have a simple table like this. Here is the simple table which we are going to create. Okay, so it is id and not null, then order int also not null, it is the PID. Okay, which is kind of int primary key, right? Okay, it should be written as this, PRIMAR primary key. Here you will pass the primary key, which is here OID, order ID, comma, foreign key, which is PID, and reference sorry, oops, we have a little confusion that this is the syntax of MySQL. In access, what you have to do, you have to say that not null, and this is the primary key, it is not null, and here after the int foreign key references the name of the table, which is person, and PID. Okay, it's references. Okay, it's not working. Foreign key reference invalid table. Oops, we have something. Okay, here is orders and persons, or what is the name of the table here? So it is person, and now execute. So there is no primary key or candidate key in the reference table. Okay, they oops, so here we don't have a primary key over here. So let's add that first, like also table tbo dot person, and add primary key, which is PID. Execute. So it's executed. Now execute. So it is also get executed, because when we have created the person database, table, we make identical column but not make that column as a primary key. So that's why the error was occurred. And now when we will refresh this, and we have order here column, so This is the foreign key which is nominated as fk, and here we have the primary key which is nominated as pk. So I hope this video tutorial is informative, that how you can add primary foreign key on the base of primary key from other tables. So don't forget to subscribe the engineering projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.